Good morning, students. As you know, your first terminal examination will start from 1st of July. So prepare for your all the subject, and here I am sending assignment of for class 8th math. So students, you can take help from this assignment. Prepare it well, practice at home. So for your convenience, I divide first chapter and second chapter is your syllabus. So I divide the marks wise question here. So there will be 2 marks questions in the question paper, 3 marks and few questions of 5 marks also. So I am starting with chapter number 1. Chapter number 2 assignment I will send later. So 2 marks question here, like question number 1 is express as rational number. Already I explained you कि what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are the number which can be expressed in a upon b form. So like 11 is here, so you can write 11 upon 1. So 2 whole 1 upon 3 means here you will have to change into improper fraction. How you will change? 3 multiply by 2 plus 1. So 3 multiply by 2 plus 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Denominator will be as it is. I think this is clear to you. So fill-ups here. First is minus 2 upon 9 upon dash upon 63 dash upon 81. So students, if anything is missed in these equivalent rational numbers, so first of all you have to observe कि numerators values are given or both denominators are given. In this question both denominators are given. So let us divide this. 63 divided by 9 will give us 7. So this 7 you will multiply by 2 minus 2. Then also you can like do this 63 divided by 9 will give you 7. So 7 you can multiply with numerator and denominator. So you will get minus 14 upon 63. So like here also 81 divided by 9 will give you 9. You will have to see the table of 9 कि where 81 is has come. So 9. So 9 you will multiply with numerator and denominator, that will give you minus 18 upon 81. So here is the answer. So express in standard form 2 upon 21. So you can cancel it by the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 11 2s are 22. So this is answer. Similarly you can do next 2 part also. So question number 4 is give the absolute value of each. Absolute value I already explained कि you will take only numerical value, you will not take the sign. So here 2 upon 3, this is the sign for absolute value, and in the short form this is called mod. So mod of 2 upon 3 is 2 upon 3. So here mod of minus 7 upon 3, minus you can ignore, we will take the numerical number only 7 upon 3. So zero's value will be 0. Here minus 13 upon minus 17, ignore this negative sign, 13 upon 17 is the answer. Now next question, which rational numbers have the absolute values 5 upon 7? Which numbers has this value? So it can be positive, it can be negative. One you will write positive, one you will write with a negative sign. Here also 2 upon 7, 2 upon 7, then minus 2 upon 7 is the answer. Now next question, which number is greater? So in this question you will have to observe कि this is negative, this one is positive. So negative will be the smaller, this one will be the greater. So 3 upon 7 is the greater. Here also you can observe 3 upon 7 is greater than 0. So 3 upon 7 is greater. Sometimes if you will not if you will see कि both are negative and denominators are not equal, then by cross multiplication method you can check. Here 12 multiplied by 3 is 36, so minus 8 multiplied by minus 8 will give you 64, but see the direction of arrows. So here arrow is here, so you will write the number just below here. Here is the arrow, so just write number below it. So here 64 is greater than 36, so 64 is the here minus 8 upon 12 is greater. Similarly you can do next part also. Then which one is smaller? Same procedure like greater. Here you will have to tell which numbers are smaller. So this one is positive, this one is negative, so negative one is the smaller. In this question same method, cross multiplication, minus 8 multiply by 10, then it will give minus 80. So here 9 multiply by minus 9 is minus 81. So which the number, if both numbers are of negative sign, then greater number will be the smaller number. So this one is smaller. This is the value of minus 10, 9 upon 10. So minus 9 upon 10 is the smaller. Then next is fill in the blank with greater than, less than or equal sign. So here both denominators are same. Here is minus 2, minus 3. Both are negative. The number which are smaller, that will be the greater in negative sign. So greater sign will be there. Here both the denominators are different. So just follow the rule of cross multiplication only. Otherwise other method will be the confusing. So adopt this method. Also we can here answer can be by writing in standard form, by cutting also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, minus minus can be cancelled. So 2 upon 3 will be here. These two numbers are equal, but I am adopting here cross multiplication method. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 12. Here 3 multiplied by minus 4 will also give you minus 12. So both numbers are equal, then we will put equal sign. Here also this one is negative, this one is positive, so negative number will be the smaller. Put the smaller sign here. Other part you can try by yourself. Then next is 3 marks question. Question number 1, check if the following are equivalent. Equivalent means equal. We have to check ki whether these numbers are equal or not. So first of all minus 7 upon 11, then 49 upon minus 77. This question I already explained in the previous video also. Just adopt the method of cross multiplication. Minus 77 multiplied by minus 7 will give us 539. Then 11 multiplied by 49 will also give us 539. If both the answers are equal, then you will say कि these are the equivalent rational number. Other parts you will try by yourself by adopting the method of cross multiplication. Then next question is represent the following numbers on the number line. So first of all 2 upon 3. So we will make it is positive, so this number will lie on the right hand side. So first of all mark a line, or you can draw a line. Mark 0 here, then 1. Because your numerator is less than denominator, then you will mark 1. So in the denominator there is 3. So we will make here 3 equal parts. We will divide 0 and 1 in 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 1 you will count as 3. So first, second will be the minus 2 upon 3. Similarly in second part, if you want to show minus 2 upon 3, so it will be on the left hand side of the line. So similarly mark here minus 1. So 0 and minus 1 divide into 3 parts, then the second part will give us minus 2 upon 3. Then the third part 3 upon 4. Here also numerator is less than denominator, so we will mark 0 and 1 only, because numerator is less than the denominator. So 1, 2, 3, this one we will count as 4, 0 will not count here. So 1, 2, 3, 3 will represent 3 upon 4. Similarly, minus 3 upon 4 will be on the left hand side. Then question number 3, verify that minus a mod of minus a will give us mod of a. So here is the solution. Minus a, in the place of a you will just write 3 upon 5. Then this minus, this extra minus is of this minus a. A value is minus 3 upon 5. Then this minus minus positive. So its value will be 3 upon 5. And also mod of a will give us 3 upon 5. So hence you can write minus a mod is equal to mod of a is verified. Then the next question, verify mod of a multiplied by b is equal to mod of a multiplied by mod of b. A is equal to minus 3 upon 1 upon 3, b is equal to 1 upon 2. So here firstly we will multiply in the mod both numbers, then it will give us 1 upon 6. Then in the right hand side we will take the mod separately. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 mod is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2 mod is 1 upon 2. So after multiplication we will get 1 upon 6. So both answers are same, hence the given question is verified. So that is all about your this assignment. So students, prepare well, practice this at home. Thank you and have a nice day.